From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. A day before the fourth phase of the Bengal elections, the focus is on the polarization angle. Tonight, Amit Shah, Mamata Banerjee and Asaduddin Owaisi accusing each other of appeasement and polarization. Let's hear all sides and then our second debate.
Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapalini Durga Shiva Chama Dhatri Saha Sada Namostute.
और बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री ने ये कह दिया, चंदी पाठ पढ़ा उन्होंने, कोई अपने आप को सबसे बड़ा हिंदू कौन है दिखा रहा है.
Bang in the middle of elections in Bengal, the polarization factor too has peaked. And in this battle of polarization, three sides are trading charges at each other. So when Mamata made the Muslim voter comment, here's how Asaduddin Owaisi responded.
ভাই সংখ্যালঘু ভাই বোন আপনাদের কাছে হাত জোড় করে একটা কথা বলবো, ওই শয়তান ছেলেটা যেটা বেরিয়েছে বিজেপির টাকা নিয়ে, ওইটার কথা শুনে সংখ্যালঘু ভোট ভাগ করিয়েন না। ও অনেক সাম্প্রদায়িক কথা বলে, ও হিন্দু মুসলমানের মধ্যে লাগায়, ও বিজেপির আরেকটা সাকরেদ, একেবারে বিজেপির কমরেড, বিজেপি কমরেড সিপিএম আর বিজেপিকে মিলে বিজেপির টাকা নিয়ে বেরিয়েছে যাতে সংখ্যালঘু ভোটটা ভাগ হয়ে যায়। প্লিজ দয়া করে করতে দেবেন না, তাহলে কিন্তু মনে রাখবেন বিজেপি আসলে কিন্তু সমূহ বিপদ সবচেয়ে বেশি, আপনাদের এটা মাথায় রাখবেন।
देर आर 16%, 16% मुसलमान जो है 6 और 9 साल के दरमियान के, वो स्कूल नहीं जाते. सिर्फ 6% मुस्लिम रिप्रेजेंटेशन गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयमेंट में, जेल में 38% है, पॉपुलेशन 27% है, टैप वाटर खाली 15% मुस्लिम घरों में है, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम ओनली 14% के करीब में है. तो ममता बनर्जी ने क्या किया मुस्लिम माइनॉरिटीज के लिए? आपने वादा किया था कि हिंदुत्व को रोकेंगे, आप तो 18 जीत गए यहाँ पर बीजेपी, हम भी नहीं लड़े.
And when Owaisi questioned Prime Minister Modi's picture with a man in skull cap during his Bengal rally, Home Minister Amit Shah hit back.
तो उसने कान में कहा, मोदी जी मैं बांग्लादेशी नहीं हूं. तो उसने कहा, मोदी जी हम कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे एनआरसी एनपीआर के लिए.
मैं उनको इतना ही कहता हूं, वो भी किसी हिंदू के साथ तस्वीर खींचा ले जरा.
So have minorities been reduced to a vote bank by politicians? Isn't Owaisi's anger on Mamata on vote bank charge justified? And can Owaisi justify his comments on Modi photograph? Let's debate.
We're opening the debate with Sabyasachi Chatterjee, Rohin Somen Mitra of the Congress. Sabyasachi supports the left, Raghav Awasthi and Nikhil Prasoon. Oh yes, we have Riju Datta also. Riju, you're very nervous nowadays. Everybody's eating into what you think is your right to have the entire Muslim vote with you. You don't own the Muslim vote. Since when did you think you own the Muslim vote? Sabyasachi, why does Riju Datta think he owns the Muslim vote? Sabyasachi, tell Riju Datta why he should not be thinking about owning the Muslim vote. He thinks he owns the Muslim vote.
No, the question is both these political
Sabyasachi.
parties, Trinamool Congress and BJP, both of them are trying to polarize the entire election in the name of religion, when this election should have been on the question of job, employment and others. Because the people of Bengal are facing the issue of unemployment. It's at high stage. They are not addressing the real issue. Now Chief Minister is making these type of comments again and again, and she has been responded by the Prime Minister several times. Now the question is, today this comment, the Muslim vote bank, this question should have been addressed from a different angle. Why the madrasas of West Bengal did not get the good teachers in last 5 or 6, 10 years during the time of Mamata Banerjee? Why she has emphasized on granting dole to imams? It's the question of the real question of minorities. The Mamata Banerjee government has utterly failed to address the issue of the development of the minorities in the state. Instead of addressing that issue, Mamata Banerjee's government has taken us to a different proposition, that is the imam should be granted dole and purohit should be granted dole, and none of the sons and daughters of imam's family and purohit's family will get a job, because there is no transparency in last 10 years in the question of employment in West Bengal. No appointment in the schools, no appointment in government offices, no appointment everywhere, where we actually can rely on the question of equality before law. Article 14 expression.
You're in
Article
trouble,
14 should be
Riju.
implemented in West Bengal.
Riju, you're in
Instead of
trouble,
doing
and
that, they are polarized.
you're in trouble. And is polarization the only way? No. See, when Owaisi asks, and today you're in trouble because you're under attack from all sides. Owaisi asks, I want to ask her, Mamata Didi, what has she done for the Muslim community so far? She's just trying to develop fear among them to gain votes. You see, Riju, Waris Pathan is there. He is the chief spokesperson of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin, also in charge of Gujarat. She's right. You have made fundamental mistakes on substance. You cannot bring this down to, I want the Muslim vote. And then you go and say, no, I'm a Shandilya, Brahmin. Why? You have to decide whether you're an upper caste. Why do you have to play your upper caste, Shandilya, Gotra angle to this? You see, you're stuck. You don't know what to do. What did you say, Waris, what did you say to Riju?
Hypocrisy of highest level, Arnab.
You call Riju a hypocrite?
He's a hypocrite, yes, of course, yes, why not? Since the day Asad Owaisi said we will be contesting election in West Bengal, what has she started? The frustration and tension is very well evident from the words she is speaking against our party. I am a reminder, Mamata Banerjee, you are calling us B team, C team, D team. Kindly do introspection within yourself. We never contested election earlier. Why did the BJP win 18 seats? Why are your leaders going and joining the BJP? Is it because of us? And now you are saying all the Muslims will unite together and vote for you. Why? Do you think they are your caged people? Why would the Muslim vote for you? You ruled by West Bengal for 10 years. What have you done for the betterment of the Muslims there? Arnab, I can show you data.
Riju, come on now. Are you on the back foot?
80% of the Muslims are earning less than rupees 5,000 per month.
Let me know when I can answer.
Communal politics and appeasement of the Hindus as well. She goes on the stage and she chants Shandi Path. You do that.
No, okay. So 1 minute. Waris, you started. Let people decide. Let people decide who's right. Owaisi or Mamata or BJP. So yes, you can respond, but you know, I make an observation. Usually you're not so polite. You don't wait for your turn. Today you are in a reflective state. In your own mind, you are thinking today that how do I get out of this? Because my leader has asked Muslims to vote unitedly. Instead of getting them, the Muslims to rally together, that's making Muslims nervous, angry. Yes.
See,
No, please.
Can I answer now? Can I answer?
Yeah.
Did you answer?
Hello,
I'm politely waiting. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. See, the
people are
bottom
so
line
polite
is
on my
BJP
program,
from
I'm
the
going to have to
first
walk
day they
off in a
started
minute.
Campaigning in Bengal, they do not have an agenda. They do not have a faith. do not have a face against Mamata Banerjee. So what basically they played was the religious card. Now that is also not working because they cannot assimilate the 70% so-called majority votes. That is why Modi ji needed to do this photo stunt today. And on other way, when AIMIM is talking, you know, their name itself suggests they are a communal party. Where was AIMIM when Corona struck? Mamata Banerjee was going door to door distributing masks, teaching people about social distancing.
What about the name is wrong? What is wrong about their name? You mentioned that they are a communal party because they are Muslimin in their name. Are you, as the official TMC spokesperson, saying that because they have Muslimin in their name, they are communal? Did you just say that? Did you say their name is wrong because it has Muslimin in it? 1 minute. What is he said? The name is communal.
I am saying.
No, he said the name of the party is communal. No.
I am saying that they are Chunavi Muslims.
I am asking, we have joined hands.
He said the name of the party is communal.
They have to garner Muslim votes for their big brother BJP because BJP MP Sakshi Maharaj has said that they are their B team.
Stop giving us certificate of secularism. Sir, you are not secular. You are not secular. You take the name. You take votes in the name of secularism. And what your leaders do after taking the votes from the Muslims, they go and join the BJP. Shameless. You must apologize to the people of West Bengal for cheating them. Arnab, they have cheated the people of West Bengal. They took the names of the Muslim in the name of secularism. Why? Why?
None
you
of
were
your
asking for
ploys
votes
are
in the name of secularism.
What we have
Today all
done
your
for
leaders have gone there.
You have not done anything for Muslims.
Who is responsible? Is Owaisi responsible for that?
Scholarships. We have included them in the OBC.
What have you done,
we have
sir?
made schools, colleges, universities.
No, why is there this?
This is the only state which
Bengal, come and
provides
see with
free
me what has
ration,
happened to
free
that.
healthcare, free education.
No,
free
you just want the Muslims to vote for you. You just want the Muslims to vote for you. You think that they are your vote bank, but you have not done anything for the betterment of the minority community in West Bengal. And that is why the Muslims of West Bengal look at our party as an option. We are coming there as a better option before the nation. Let me tell you.
You have to apologize for saying Ganapati Bappa Moria. So don't give me dialogue bhashan about how secular you are.
Election,
I think I have made my point, Arnab.
the result of this election,
I don't want to be a part of this.
the result of
One second. Rohan Somen Mitra. Rohan Somen Mitra. No, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
It shows how secular they are.
Why did she say her Gotra is chandelier? What about the 27% Muslim Arnab?
With all due respect,
Muslims who don't have any Varna system with them.
Let the
What
big
about the
brother
22%
respond,
Dalit?
Arnab.
What about them?
yeah.
Somen is coming in. Waris. Somen, won't this all benefit the BJP?
with Mr. Waris Patan, please hear me out. This
Somen,
is like,
no, 1 minute, one at a
Diwali
time.
when
Nikhil,
you have
before you, I want to hear Rohan. I'm coming to you after that.
Yeah. In Diwali, you have
Yes.
Bollywood releases like multiple blockbusters, and you have 3 blockbusters, and then you have one C-grade product, which has one successful song which has become a big hit on the YouTube. The AIMM is a person non grata in Bengal politics. They absolutely have nothing to offer. They do not identify with Bengal at all. They do not understand if they are talking about the Muslim people of Bengal, they have no understanding of the Bengali Muslim of Bengal. So, giving them so much footage and so much, I'm surprised that my friend from Trinamool is giving them this kind of importance. But also, I wouldn't want to go too far into their thing that they can name their party whatever they want, but not to take that into a way. But the AIMM is working as a dummy party for the BJP in Bengal. You have a dummy candidate, you can put up an agent.
No, don't have a false and business allegation, please. Arnab, stop it. How do you know they're dummy candidates? On what basis are you saying they're dummy candidates? Kindly recheck your facts properly. Go to West Bengal, come with me, I will take you there.
You said you're a dummy party.
How can you say they're dummy candidates? On what basis? On what basis are you saying they're dummy candidates?
What you understand of the Bengal problems,
why would the Bengali brothers and sisters not vote for us?
You have nothing.
Why would they not vote for us?
Not for them, it is just...
Why even the Brahmins will vote for us? Even our non-Muslim Hindu brothers and sisters will vote for us.
If you really...
That is why I say, sir, stop playing the so-called secular card, Arnab. Tell him to rectify his data properly before making such kind of baseless allegations.
This is a three-way contest. You have nothing to
Why
offer
is-
the
why-
Bengali.
please admit
the
you are a
Bengali
Chunavi
state.
Muslim
why is
who
she
is
calling
trying
us
to get
document
Muslim
city?
votes for
Then
your
why is
big
she
brother
afraid?
BJP.
Why is she
That's it,
afraid?
end
Why
of
so
story.
much tension?
इतना बात
Why
करने
so
का
much
क्या है?
frustration?
बोलिए हम लोग आए हैं
Why
बीजेपी को
Nepal
थोड़ा
is
माइनॉरिटी
Pakistan?
वोट्स देने के
Why is she
लिए,
calling us between
क्योंकि मेजोरिटी
them?
उनके लिए वोट नहीं कर रहा, इसलिए मोदी जी को फोटो खिंचवाना पड़ता है. बात खत्म हो गया ना.
Both of them are one and the same, Arnab.
You are the B team. BJP MP is calling you the B team.
This is what
TMC is not saying. BJP MP has
You and the
said.
BJP are same, sir. There is no difference there between you. The competition is going on. Who is bigger Hindu?
नहीं, अम्फान में जब मुसलमान का घर टूट गया था तब आपका दिल नहीं रोया था तेलंगाना में. जब कोरोना में मुसलमान को यहाँ दिक्कत हो रहा था तब हॉस्पिटल ममता बनर्जी ने दिया था. AIMIM कहाँ था? वो तो चैन से सो रहा था अपना तेलंगाना में. कहाँ थे आप लोग? कोरोना में अम्फान में कहाँ थे? तब दिल नहीं रो रहा था मुसलमान के लिए.
इतना हॉस्पिटल बनाया वेस्ट बंगाल के
नहीं, तब कहाँ थे? अभी आ गए बीजेपी के लिए वोट खींचने. थोड़ा तो शर्म कर लीजिए. अरे कम से कम शर्म छोड़ दीजिए, बोल दीजिए ना हम लोग बीजेपी को जितवाने आए हैं या जितवाने की कोशिश करने आए हैं.
आप लोगों के
बात
पास
खत्म
फैक्ट
हो
होता
गया
नहीं है,
ना.
आप कुछ भी आके बोलते हो. अरे क्या क्या ममता दीदी ने, चलो बताओ मेरे को, बताओ. आज भी 80% जो मुस्लिम है वहाँ का 5,000 रुपया पगार पर है क्या नहीं महीने का. बताओ क्यों ऐसा किया, क्यों ममता दीदी ने ऐसा किया, क्यों ममता दीदी ने स्टेज पे जाके
अरे बाबा ये सब बेकार की बातें आप छोड़िए. अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोविजंस एक्ट, गो एंड फाइंड आउट 52.7% मुस्लिम्स इज सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड.
मुसलमानों के लिए
दे आर इंक्लूडेड इन द ओबीसी.
मुसलमानों का काम नहीं करेगा.
दे रहा है आपका ओवैसी दे रहा है
खाली
क्या?
मुसलमानों का वोट लेगा, काम नहीं करेगा. क्यों?
यूनिवर्सिटी कौन बनाया है? आपके ओवैसी बनाया है. वो तो पतंग उड़ा रहा है हैदराबाद में.
अरे हम आ गए तो
क्या
तुम्हारे
झूठ
डर
बोल
लग
रहे हैं?
गया.
अब आपके बीजेपी के पास जाइए, बोलिए आपको थोड़ा और सपोर्ट करें ताकि कुछ और मुस्लिम वोट्स आप दे पाए.
इब्तदाई स्टेट होता है क्या? टीएमसी आगे आगे देख के होता है क्या?
अरे 6 सीट, आप 60 सीट पे भी लड़ते तब भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि बंगाल के मुसलमान समझ गए कि आप लोग चुनावी मुसलमान हैं, आप लोग असली मुसलमान नहीं हैं. आपको मुसलमान से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. आपको बीजेपी का पैसा और बीजेपी के लिए वोट से मतलब है.
एलिगेशन लगाया हमारे ऊपर. चलो बताओ. चलो बताओ. अरे बॉस, frustration है, frustration. High level frustration can be seen on Mamata Banerjee's face and her words. High level of frustration is evident.
You do not understand
Because still now she was thinking the Muslims are
अच्छा
going to vote for her.
बीजेपी के अच्छा वारिस भाई वी बीन ऑन मल्टीपल डिबेट्स. एक रिपब्लिक में कम से कम बता दीजिए बीजेपी ने आपको क्या इंसेंटिव दिया है? Okay, you are coming here as a better option talking about Vikas.
What do you mean?
Now, one second, Varis ji, you are not a communal party. You are coming here as a better option talking about Vikas. Can you say Ganapati Bappa Moria on national TV? We are not a communal party. We are a secular party. I can say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. I can say Jai Siya Ram. I can say Bharat Mata. I can say Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.
You say I will stand with you and I will be proud if you say go on.
See, the problem is BJP does tilak ka rajniti, AIMIM does topi ka rajniti.
is going to be dealt with a death knell after this election. They are going to be vanquished.
Nikhil Prasoon.
These apologists
This is
and
the problem.
pseudo-secularists.
BJP does tilak ka rajniti,
Nikhil is on the debate.
topi ka rajniti.
Yeah.
Nikhil, do you have a Nikhil?
दादा আমাকে কিছু বলতে দিন. এই রিজুদা.
No, the fact is Waris and BJP now. AIMIM and BJP on the debate tonight. Tonight, Asaduddin Owaisi. No, 1 minute. Asaduddin Owaisi, in an exclusive interview on Republic Bangla, has called out the polarizing ways of Mamata Banerjee.
Okay.
Now, my question is, Asaduddin Owaisi, and since he is not here, I want to ask Waris Pathan. Waris, you cannot accept the fact that Modi is secular. I'll tell you why. This picture of Narendra Modi with a man in a skull cap, right? And Asaduddin Owaisi says, I don't know him. He may have said, Modi ji, I'm not a Bangladeshi. He may have said, Modi ji, hum kagaz nahi dikhayenge. He may have said, Modi ji, we don't black triple talaq law. I don't understand. It's all, you're trying to present.
Arnab,
the problem is, the fact is that see the picture there.
हम आपके साथ हैं.
You try to demonize Narendra Modi as being anti-Muslim. This is all hogwash. No, what is wrong with this picture? What is why does this picture make you insecure? If I have the picture, I'll show you.
strategy.
What is the percentage of
Nikhil
Muslim
Prasoon is saying
college
something.
teachers in
Waris
West
to you.
Bengal?
Waris, ruko now.
Just answer.
Waris, ruk jao. Nikhil
have
is saying
been
something to you.
Bolo.
Yeah. Well, this particular election is going to prove as a death knell to the politics of pseudo-secularism and appeasement. Now, the result of this election will force these apologists and pseudo-secularists to leave the political space, lock, stock and barrel. Now, this is going to be an eye-opener. What is the percentage of Muslims as college teachers? 7% only. What is the percentage of Muslims as regular salaried people? 22% in the whole country, 13% in West Bengal. What is the salary average in the whole country? 13,000. In West Bengal, it happens to be 9,000. And those who are involved in self-employment, they earn only 6,000 per month as compared to 9,000 in the whole country. Look at this. What is the outcome of Sachar committee report? In all India services, only 3%. Now these.
No, I am on a specific point where Asaduddin Owaisi was mocking the Prime Minister for this picture. I am asking one picture. What is the problem with this picture? 1 minute, Nikhil. Raghav Awasthi is also on. Raghav will debate with Waris Pathan, and this is going to be an interesting debate. Raghav sitting quietly for a long time. I'll show the picture there. What is wrong with this picture? If Narendra Modi is talking to a man in the skull cap, why does it irritate you? It's the same Narendra Modi.
What is wrong?
Waris Pathan, who addressed the centenary celebrations at Aligarh Muslim University.
I will tell you.
What is wrong?
This photo op is a pre-planned strategy.
Ideally, Pathan.
Prior to the elections, during the elections, done by Narendra Modi and the BJP.
Waris, listen to Raghav. Waris, listen to Raghav. Waris, listen to Raghav, yeah.
They want to ghettoize Muslims. They want to paint Muslims into a corner. They want Muslims to remain in a permanent, perpetual state of siege in this country, so that they can practice the same regressive brand of politics that they have perfected in Hyderabad. This is their plan. And this picture carries a lot of symbolism. The Prime Minister is there. He's standing with somebody who's unapologetic about his Muslim identity. The Prime Minister is also equally unapologetic about his Hindu identity. But this is emblematic of the secularism that is practiced by the BJP. And the AIMMIM knows that their identity politics will be punctured by this one picture. And this is what is making them jittery. Their politics of Muslim separatism and appeasement is the same as that of Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you, Raghav,
is the modern Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Is a pre-planned strategy of Narendra Modi during the Bengal election. Why Modi did not listen to the Mann Ki Baat of the Muslims for so many years?
Muhammad Ali
Jinnah what is ministers doing? Arnab in UP, most of the Muslim youths are being sentenced to jail in the name of love jihad. In the UP Act, they have converted into launching Muslims into the jail. So many young Muslims have been sent to jail. Why was Modi silent? Why Modi does not give justice to Ikhlaq's family? Why no justice to Kanu Khan's family? Why no justice to Zakia Jafri's family? This is the thing that is going on. Desh ki janata pagal nahi hai, Raghav Awasthi.
Why don't you talk about Sarai Ka Lekha? I will talk about Sarai Ka Lekha. Talk about Sarai Ka Lekha.
Why did the SPG allow this man to
talk about Sarai Ka Lekha? What happened in Sarai Ka Lekha? What happened in Sarai Ka Lekha? Why was a poor Dalit family attacked?
No, sir.
Why was a poor Dalit family attacked? Why some people from the Muslim community tell us Asaduddin Owaisi के मुंह में दही जम गई थी.
He said, sir,
एक शब्द नहीं बोला था असादुद्दीन ओवैसी ने. अगर जय भीम करना है तो उसमें क्यों नहीं बोला? आपकी पॉलिटिक्स मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना की है. मोहम्मद अली
Sabyasachi is also in the debate right now. We are opening it up once again. Sabyasachi is coming on the debate, asking a question. Pro-left Sabyasachi asking Raghav. Sabyasachi, yes, please. Sabyasachi has a counter for you, Raghav. Sabyasachi.
The question is that we are on a wrong question. Both of them are trying to divide the question on the ground of religion. The interesting question is The Mamta
nobody is
government
trying
has
to
failed
divide.
to address the real issues.
BJP believes
The
in
job
justice
generation,
for all and appeasement
employment,
for none.
unemployment has
This is
reached
the
its
ideology
peak
of
in
the
West
RSS
Bengal.
as well.
Nobody is raising
We
this
believe in
question.
justice for all and
Hindus,
appeasement
they
for
did not
none.
get the job.
We
Muslims,
believe in
they did not
justice
get
for
the
all
job.
and
It's
appeasement
not
for
the problem
none.
for
This
Muslims
is
or
not
Hindus
your
only.
politics.
It's
That
the
is why
problem
the
for
TMC is
whole of the
losing
population
today.
of West
Because
Bengal.
the Muslims
Now the
feel
question is,
Reju's on the
the
debate.
new party
Unalloyed
who is making the
Muslims
comment.
Reju's back on the debate. Reju, are you getting sandwiched in this?
They are getting
Riju versus Riju back on the debate with Nikhil. Riju, you must be concerned that you're going to get sandwiched in this. And my suggestion to you would be that you must understand polarization politics has become obsolete. And in fact, you should be telling polarization politics will be obsolete now. You should stop asking for the Muslim vote or the Hindu vote. You ask for the Muslim vote wherever you go. Stop asking for it.
You should, Anna, why don't
You are asking too desperately for the Muslim vote.
No.
You're asking Muslims to vote as a
Anna,
group.
why
You
don't
should
you
not.
give this advice
It's a
to the
violation of the
Prime Minister?
Representation of People's Act anyway.
Anna, you can give this advice.
Is the Prime Minister asking for the Muslim vote or the Hindu vote?
Anna, then you should give the same advice.
Tell me
to
one
the
place where the
Honorable
Prime
Prime
Minister has asked for the Hindu vote or the Muslim.
No, when the majoritarian politics of
Didi-
BJP is not working, why do he has to do this
Madam
photo op?
Chief Minister
This is
is
a
beleaguered.
pre-planned photo op to show that BJP and the Prime Minister is secular. Because the majoritarian
Where has the
politics
Prime
not
Minister
working.
asked for the
Even
Muslim
the
vote?
Hindus are not voting for BJP. In
Nikhil
Bengal.
is responding.
That is
Okay,
the desperate
Riju.
Didi is beleaguered.
No,
Now
one
she's
second.
in
I have
in a
not seen.
quagmire. She's
I have not seen a
completely
single
shattered. Now
statement of the Prime Minister where he has said Hindus unitedly vote for us, or a single statement of the Prime Minister where he has said Muslims unitedly vote for us. That statement has only come, unfortunately, from your leader. This is my firm. If you can prove to me that Narendra Modi has anywhere said all Hindus vote for me or all Muslims vote for me, I will stand corrected.
Quagmire. She's in a chakravyuh created by her own
BJP
self.
is the
Now, on the one hand, she's involved in politics of this kind of competitive communalism, and on the other hand, she's trying to appeal to the majority Hindu. I think she's not able to find her way out of this quagmire.
Two sides of the same
I think she's not able to find her way out. That's why now she's making a conspiracy out of an accident.
They are not getting the Hindu votes. They never
She's
had
in a
the
state-
Muslim votes.
she's
So
in
this
a state
photo
of
was very
confusion.
necessary to show that see me and my party are secular because all
Are
this
on
with
the one
Mamata
hand,
Banerjee, because Mamata
on the
Banerjee
one hand,
has
she's
done
sandwiched
for every
between two
community.
things.
If
She
Hindu,
is sandwiched
Muslim,
between
Sikh,
two things. On the
Isai,
one hand,
Dalits,
there is
Adivasi,
politics
every
of competitive
Mamata
communalism,
worked for.
and on the
So
other
kya
hand, there
kare
is
BJP?
politics of
They have lost the
majority
plot
Hinduism that
completely.
she's trying
एक
to
तो
appeal
उनके पास
to.
CM candidate
And
नहीं
she
है,
does not
दूसरा
have an
agenda
agenda.
नहीं है.
Since
अब
she
हिंदुत्व
does not have
का
an
Raghav is also on the debate. Raghav wants to take on Riju. Raghav, allow a small intervention. Raghav, who do you want to take on, Riju or who? Who are you taking on, Raghav? Okay, I assume you're taking on Riju. Riju, Raghav is coming in with an aggressive counter for you, please. Raghav has an aggressive counter for you.
No, why
Riju.
don't you allow the Hindus to say Jai
Ask.
Shri Ram? Why don't you allow
Ask.
the Hindus to say Jai Shri Ram? Will you say Jai Shri Ram on this show? Will you say Jai Shri Ram? Say Jai Shri Ram. I want to hear you say Jai Shri Ram. Say Jai Shri Ram. I'm
You have
waiting.
made Jai Shri
No, you
I
don't
will
have the
say-
guts to say
listen,
Jai Shri
Nikhil
Ram
Prasad, I will
because
say Jai Shri
you are
Ram.
scared.
I will
You
not
are
say Jai Shri Ram
scared
because
that
you
you
have
will lose
turned
the
a warm
Muslim vote
greeting
to Owaisi.
into a lynching
You
war
are
cry
scared.
and a bullying
Say Jai
tagline in
Shri
this
Ram.
country.
No, you can't say
have
Jai
turned
Shri
the
Ram.
name
You
of
hate
God
Lord
into a
Ram.
political
You
slogan.
hate Lord
That is
Ram.
your
You
wrongdoing.
hate Lord
You
Ram.
need to see yourself
No,
in
you
the
can't
mirror.
say Jai Shri Ram.
And
That
let
is
me tell
it.
you, there is a
Everybody in
special
the country
place
is
reserved
watching.
in
This
hell
is your
for people
secularism.
like you
Your
who use
secularism
God
is that
in politics. You have
you cannot say Jai Shri
somehow
Ram. You
have
can do the
mixed
azan.
religion and politics.
You
It is
don't
not
have
us.
the guts
You
to
have
say
done
Jai
it.
Shri Ram.
And that is why we
No Jai
despise
Shri
of
Ram.
you for mixing
You
religion
don't
into
have the
politics.
bloody guts to say Jai Shri Ram on this show
I'm
tonight.
saying Jai Shri Ram.
You don't
I
have
am
the
a
guts.
proud
That's
Hindu.
it.
I am
That's
not a
it.
Dikhava Hindu
You
like
don't
you.
have the guts to say Jai
Oh,
Shri
it's
Ram.
getting
Say
aggressive
Jai Shri
tonight.
Ram.
Communal
Say
party
Jai Shri
or
Ram.
RSS
Say
to
Jai
prove
Shri
I'm
Ram.
a Hindu. I am
If you're a
proud
proud Hindu, say Jai Shri Ram. No. Say Jai Shri Ram. Say Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. I say
will
Jai
not
Shri
say
Ram. Why
your
don't you say
political
Jai Shri
slogan.
Ram?
अरे भगवान का नाम और
You were
बदनाम मत
reciting
करो.
the kalma, but you
भगवान को
can't
तो
say Jai Shri Ram.
रास्ते पे खड़ा कर दिया
अरे
इलेक्शन
आपने
के लिए.
kalma recite
संबित
किया,
पात्र
जय
तो
श्री राम
जगन्नाथ
बोलने
जी
का
को
हिम्मत
मूर्ति लेके
रखो
गाड़ी
ना.
में रैली भी
हिम्मत
कर दिया.
रखो,
और
दिखाओ,
भगवान
बोलो
को
जय
कितना
श्री राम.
गिराओगे?
आप
थोड़ा
kalma
शर्म
recite
कर लो.
करते हो, जय श्री
शर्म
राम
कर
नहीं
लो
बोलते हो.
थोड़ा.
यही सेक्युलरिज्म है आपका.
भगवान
This is
को और
your
नीचे मत
secularism.
लाओ
You recite the
सिर्फ
kalma. You
तिलक
don't
पहनने
say
से
Jai
कोई
Shri
हिंदू
Ram.
नहीं होता।
You do. No, you do. You recited the
चोरों का
kalma just
पापी,
now.
चोरों का
You
सरदार,
don't have the
यहाँ पर
guts
हम
to
लोगों
say
को
Jai
धर्म
Shri
के बारे
Ram.
में ज्ञान दे रहे हैं,
Lord
बताओ।
Ram will make sure you lose the election. Lord Ram will ensure
I
that
am
you lose the
saying Jai
election.
Siya
Lord
Ram.
Ram will
I am
ensure that
saying
you
माँ
lose the
दुर्गा
election
joy.
because you
I
don't
am
have the
saying
guts
माँ
to say
काली
Jai Shri
joy.
Ram.
तुम्हारा पॉलिटिकल स्लोगन तुमको क्यों चाहिए बाबा?
Yeah, but you Jai Shri Ram बोलो ना, Durga
I will
माता
not
की
say
जय,
it because
काली
you
माता
use
की जय.
it
मैं भी
as
बोल
a
देता हूँ, जय
lynching
श्री
war
राम
cry.
बोलने
You
में
use it
डरते
as a
क्यों?
bullying tagline. You
मुसलमानों से
use
डर
it to
लगता है,
demean the
मुस्लिम वोट
dignity
चला
of a woman.
जाएगा.
You should be ashamed
मुस्लिम
of
वोट चला
yourself.
Nikhil is back on the debate. The BJP spokesperson making a comeback on the debate. It's taken a different turn. And Sabyasachi has a counter here right now. Sabyasachi is coming back on the debate. He's aggressively pointing to something. What's your point, Sabyasachi? 1 minute. Everyone's open up on the debate. Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, who are you?
We are secular.
They are trying to communalize everything, polarizing everything.
Now,
Wasted 30
let me
minutes
just
of the,
take
you know,
20
the
seconds to me.
development
Out of
issues
that,
we
just
could have
20
spoken
seconds.
about. And
We are secular.
Come into Bengal and has nothing to offer to the people of Bengal. They just going to polarize this whole election even further. And the only people who are going to benefit, see, I have no problem with that photo of the Prime Minister with the man in the skull cap. I welcome it. I just have the issue is, will the PM and his people, like the leaders in Bengal, will they appreciate the Muslims of Bengal? They don't. This is the only time when the Prime Minister comes, you see him with this photo op. Rest of the time,
You have all these questions, Rohan. Rohan, you have all these questions. I'll put Waris on the left. 1 minute.
They have been
You have.
so. Look, we are secular.
Yes, Nikhil.
Our secularism is not because of the fact that it was inserted surreptitiously in the Constitution preamble in 1976. We are not secular. We are secular because we are the descendants of Sanatan Dharma. It is inherent in our character. This is a manifestation of our integral humanism. This is a manifestation of our cultural idealism. We are secular because of that.
Okay, back. Riju's back. Riju's back on the right.
Mr. Modi,
Riju's back on the right.
Mr. Modi has
Riju.
always been secular. in
Riju
his
on the
approach.
right. Oh my
Not
God.
because of the
Riju is
fact,
on the right.
These
Riju.
people are now giving
Because we are
certificates of
Hindus. We are
Sanatan
secular.
Dharma also.
Because of
No,
our
no.
credentials that
Nikhil
pervade
Prasoon now is
5,000
giving
years. We are
Sanatan
secular.
Dharma certificates.
We are
Nikhil
secular
ji मेरे घर में
because our
पूजा है, थोड़ा
Sanatan
आके कर दीजिए
credentials
फिर.
pervade.
No, no, I am telling you, why don't you come to
छोड़ो
my house? I have a
यार,
पूजा,
धर्म
थोड़ा पूजा
निरपेक्षता।
कर दीजिए ना. अभी तो आप लोग सनातन
आप
धर्म का भी
आइए यहाँ
सर्टिफिकेट
पे,
दे रहे
आपको
हैं.
मैं सिखा देता हूँ.
यहाँ पर पुरोहित का बहुत
सुनिए,
कमी है बंगाल में. आप आके
चंदा
थोड़ा
लगाने
पूजा
से-
कर दीजिए.
चंदी पाठ करने से कोई सेकुलर नहीं हो
मतलब हद
जाता
है यार, हद है. गिरने का
This
भी
is
एक हद
the-
होता है.
मैं
इतना
आप आइए तो
भगवान
मैं
को
सिखा
धर्म
देता
को
हूँ
मत
पूजा करना
गिराइए.
आपको।
ये टोपी और
चंदन
तिलक
लगाने से
करके
नहीं
आप
होता
लोग
है।
इस देश
अरे
को
छोड़ो।
असली मुद्दे से हटा दिया है. Petrol is at
अरे
an all-time
धर्म और
high.
मजहब
Gas is
में
at an
अंतर
all-time high.
समझिए।
Unemployment is at an all-time high. And we are
धर्म और
discussing
मजहब
here
में अंतर
tilak and
समझिए।
skull caps.
सनातन
You should be
धर्म-
ashamed of
अरे
yourself.
पिता का धर्म अपने पुत्र
You are
Ajay,
an
just tell me
educated
one thing. I'm
person.
curious.
Go and be
Why did you
ashamed.
say, Riju, before you close the debate, I will Waris on the left for a moment, please. Waris and Riju, I want a moment's silence because in 3 minutes we are running a Prashant Kishore interview. Before that, in 3 minutes we are running a Prashant Kishore interview with a lot of news points. People will want to see that. But I have a question before that. Allow me. Just tell Waris Pathan very briefly today. You made a following statement earlier in the debate. You said the very name of the party AIMIM, the name of the party is communal. So you need to tell Waris why the name of the party All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin. You said the name is communal. Please tell Waris why the name is communal. Please. And briefly, please. Waris, we'll hear from him first, then you reply.
Because the name itself suggests that the party represents only, and yes, because the name itself suggests, as far as I know Urdu and I know I am right, it is a representation, all India representation of the Muslim community. How is it, this does not include any other community in it? And in Bengal, they are nothing but Chunavi Muslims whose heart has never bled for Muslims in Corona or Amphan. Now suddenly they are crying because they have to garner Muslim votes for their big brother called BJP.
Riju,
Like they have helped them in Bihar. Simple. It is not complicated.
So you're saying 1 minute. Official.
Is Shiv Sena a communal party or a secular party? I want to ask you a question. Shiv Sena is a communal party. Congress in Maharashtra to gain power, join hands with
Shiv Sena is
What did you say about that?
Shiv
These
Sena
are the so-called secular parties. And what is the meaning of secularism?
अरे ये टाई अप का बात मत कीजिए. Then BJP also tied up with PDP in Jammu and Kashmir. No. Don't do tie-ups. Then Congress and CPM are doing tie-up against TMC in Bengal. Tie-ups is all for winnabilities. All the political parties like you do it. Don't talk politics to me. आप भी बहुत दिन से politics में, हम भी बहुत दिन से politics में.
No, but tell me one thing. One second, please. Riju, 1 minute. Riju, I have a counter. Thank you. My counter to you is Mr. Datta. Mr. Datta, a moment to reflect. Mr. Datta, how is AIMM a communal name when the Election Commission has given them the approval to fight elections?
Yeah.
You said because, yeah.
I just explained that. I just gave you the literal meaning of the name. They brand themselves as secular. They have got permission from Election Commission. ISF, according to your logic,
But it is, but you say this is communal, but it is secular of Mamta Didi to go on rallies and say Muslims come together and congregate and collate your votes for them.
No. According to your logic, Arnab. No, 1 second, Arnab.
Say all Muslim community must unite and vote for you.
I think I'm running short of time now.
Vote for you.
Indian secular
What
front
is
also there
what
a
is the
secular
meaning of
party.
secularism,
When their
sir?
leader Abbas Siddiqui from a public stage has made an anti-national statement like I want 50 crore people to die out of corona. So Abbas Siddiqui is also secular then, as per your logic, Arnab.
What is the meaning of secularism
It is
as
not
per
the
Riju?
name,
I
it
want
is
to
not
ask
the term,
Riju.
it is your word.
Sabyasachi will respond to this. Sabyasachi.
Secularism.
Sabyasachi
What is
will-
the meaning of secularism? Kindly let me know. Secularism means that you go and read Chandi Path. Secularism means that you go on the stage and you say, my putra is Chandilia. Secularism means that you go and before the Muslim
their voice
ask for
secularism.
and vote for me.
This,
Is this secularism?
I will tell you.
This is playing the politics of sir, this is communal politics. Politics for appeasement. मतलब परस अर्नब इलेक्शन आ गया तो तू भी मेरा बाप तू भी मेरा बाप.
Okay, viewers, and closing this debate. Closing this debate, ladies and gentlemen, and I thank you all.